What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. Y'all see the thumbnail, man. So I am taking delivery of my demon. It has been wrapped again, bro. And this time, it is completely crazy as hell. Y'all see I got a whole new car. I still haven't even, did anything on this, bro. But this car's about to be wrapped, bro. The demon is pulling up, bro. Oh, my God. Damn, y'all hear the pops? Bro, I ain't even finna show y'all, bro. But my boy Athens, he just went absolutely crazy on it. Yo, I'm finna turn y'all around, bro. Yo, what the yo, bro. Yo, alright, y'all. What the hell? Okay, so we went full-blown Kirby Demon, bro. The first ever in the world, bro. My boy Athens, bro. He just went crazy, bro. He went crazy, bro. So tell him about the color. Tell him the shot, man. Let him know everything, bro.
We did a satin bubblegum pink wrap. We also did white scoops, white calipers, white demon decals, giving it that nice look. And we also did the white seats.
Bro, this shit look crazy, bro. This is like the real deal Kirby Demon, bro. Like, look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Like, bro, y'all don't even know. Then he came through with the steering wheel, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This is probably the craziest thing ever. Like, my demon has never been this fucking hard, bro. Like, this shit is insane, bro. This is like a true, one of none, Kirby Demon, bro. He got the side markers going. He got the calipers. We did white signs on this bitch, bro. Like, the white signs is crazy. That bitch really set it apart. He got the white emblems on this bitch, the white supercharger. We got the white scoops in here. We also got the headlights on the way, bro. And then what set it off, bro, is this shit, bro. Look at this shit, bro. So we finna take it all the way, and then he lowered the bitch for me, bro. So we lowered the demon finally, bro. The demon is lowered, bro. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. So next, what we finna do, I keep saying that, bro. I'm just in shock, bro. Like, I haven't even seen it, bro. It's been so long, then it just popped up like this. Like, this shit crazy, bro. So we finna drive it now to a legal pit all the way in South Carolina, I believe. My boy SRC Breezy. But yeah, bro, this shit is insane, bro. If y'all really look at this shit, bro. I think they've been undefeated, bro. This is the hardest demon in the world, bro. I ain't gonna cap. I seen other people say that too, though. You know what I'm saying? So big shout out to I think his name Cali Boy Kev. He got a bad demon 170. I was gonna go demon 170, but then I was like, I might as well do this because I got another surprise for y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all why I did this. But yeah, man, I don't know what y'all think. Should we make this bitch faster? Should we I don't know, bro. But Athens Kustoms, bro, he killed this shit, bro. Like, look at this shit. Like, the doorknobs matching that shit. Like, he killed this shit, bro. Like, he killed this shit, all the way around, bro. Like, this the true Kirby Demon, bro. Like, some real Kirby-ass shit, bro. Like, this shit is insane. And it's lowered, perfect. The perfect spec. You feel me? It's not too low. It's, perfect low, bro. That shit perfect, gang. Yeah, that shit crazy. You want to say something else?
Best in the industry to do it.
Straight up, man. So y'all need anything done, y'all see everything. Oh, don't play with that boy. Y'all see everything done. Goddamn supercharged. He do lights. My boy do emblems, paint work. He did the calipers. He do all this shit, detailing, install the wheel, everything. Anything y'all need, bro, make sure y'all pull up, bro. Bro is gonna go crazy for y'all. All this shit was done. This whole car was built by them, bro. Real shit, the whole car, bro. And this shit undefeated, bro. This shit looks so crazy to me. I don't know, bro. This shit crazy. Lord and all, bro. This shit is perfect. Perfect, bro. One of none, man. So what we gonna do next, I'm gonna give y'all a little POV. We're gonna take it down to South Carolina, bro. And we're gonna go up, man. Let's do it. Look at this shit, bro. This bitch is crazy, bro. This shit right here is what's really making it what the hell? That bit right here is absurd. I ain't gonna cap. And the way it feels, bro, I ain't drove my demon in so long, bro. The way it feels, bro, it feels so mean, heavy, it's crazy, bro. This shit is wild, bro. But yeah, man, we are on the drive, on the way, all the way to goddamn South Carolina. Let's do it, man. We're going to illegal pit in the Demon, man. The Kirby Demon, man. 1-1, 1-9. So yeah, this shit is about to be crazy. Real life Demon. 1-9. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, so we are here. Y'all can't even hear me, bro. We are here. Just saying. The whole situation, all this shit going on. But all this shit going on. Sliding cake. People are really sliding out here in South Carolina, man. You pulled up there, what, breezy event. What the hell? God damn. Yeah, we gonna be getting in this bit though. I'm definitely finna get in here and see what the fuck poppin'. I wanna see some sliding, man. I'm finna get in here. We gonna see what's going. Yeah. What's up, bro? Yeah, what you saying, bro? They really sliding. They really going crazy in the pit right now. They deep as hell. They got like 8 niggas in this car, 8 niggas in that car. They patting in this bitch. We finna get in here though. Slide in this. Yeah. Show y'all some of this shit, man. Go look at some of these cars around here, man, so y'all can see this shit. That little baby shit right there hard. This shit right here nasty. I ain't gonna count this bit hard. Shit's right here hard. I ain't gonna count this whole little lineup right here hard. And then they go goddamn all this shit, all tracks and shit, wide shit. This shit hard. That boy go second gen swap. That's crazy. All these shits right here crazy. These boy really got some heat out here though. I ain't gonna count. It's really some nice shit. Most of it's Dodge. Like they got some nice little shit though. I ain't gonna count. Most of it's Dodge, but you know, this shit hard. What's up, man? Yeah, what's up, man?
Don't first time so you're person to it.
Yeah.
In the group chat on Instagram with Trent on.
Oh yeah, okay. The little ATL chat.
Yeah,
I know what you're talking about. Yeah. How long you been out here? A minute?
Shit, probably like 45 minutes. I think I had nothing.
Okay, yeah. I was gonna say I just got here. I parked over there. I'm trying to move my shit on this side. But yeah, literally this whole little lineup, bro. It's deep out here. That boy SRT Breezy. That boy really put on, man. You know what I'm saying? Really put on for a city, man. He got everybody out here though. This shit is loaded. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, they got some cool little cars out here. I'm finna keep walking on. I'm gonna show y'all a smoke car and then we gonna like do some sliding and shit. I ain't gonna slide shit, but we gonna see some sliding.
Watch the board.
My boy just went crazy in the scatty, you know what I'm saying? Really like sliding and spinning that shit. These boy been sliding out here, boy. For real, really, real deal sliding. Yeah, that shit lit though, man. Hey. Back that shit on up. Down this bit right here leaking. Shit, that bit hard though. It's hard. Cat painted supercharger lid. You know what I'm saying? This right here hard. I like it when they had the little eye on there. Hey man, they got a Lambo down here. So crazy though. The V6 Mero. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Somebody got a cat on bags, a bad cat, and then you come over here, you go wide body yours. That shit sexy. Somebody got that heat out here, man. That shit out here. Oh, this shit right here hard. Oh, 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 oh. That shit right there nice, man. Super B, cat. Boy, got that shit out here, man. Like this color combo, man. Black and pink, man. That shit crazy though, bro. Some crazy cars out here, man. I'm gonna keep getting y'all some more content, man. Let's do it. You know, this was a haul. That boy went double. That boy went two-tone camo track. What's up, man? Yeah. The Demon is over there. Where you parked at?
I'm on that side over there.
Okay.
I slid my car. I can't let that bitch run.
You slid it?
Hell yeah.
Damn.
Hell yeah.
You went crazy? Oh, it was okay.
Me personally, I didn't watch the shit, but Nico texted me. He's like, your shit was sliding.
It was hard?
Yes, I did good.
Okay. Damn, I missed.
How long you been?
Shit, probably like an hour now.
I've been sitting there and started.
Damn.
I didn't fall.
Yeah, it is. It is. Oh, shit. Crowd killer. They be a little crazy with the light, though. My bad. Hey, man. Appreciate it, gang. What the hell, KC? But yeah, man, everybody love the rap, man. Y'all leave in the comments what y'all think. If y'all think we snapped on the rap, I feel like we did, though. I feel like we went crazy. You know what I'm saying? This shit do look crazy. For sure, cotton candy vibes. Breezy, SRT Breezy. The famous man. What's up, man? What's up with y'all doing? Oh. Good boy, throwing time. Hey, hold on. Hold it. Gotta go get another tire. Yep. Oh yeah, you snap. You snap. That boy said he was finna slide a bit, but it'd be, you know, like, hey, this a performance one? This a performance one? This bit fast, then. Yeah. He said he's gonna slide, but his tire and stuff kind of messed up. Hey, if you slide that bit, let me know. I'm gonna record it. That shit gonna be crazy. Alright, y'all. So we took y'all here. The event was a success. Shit was lit. The shit was lit. It's still lit. Oh, them boys still burning out over there. But this shit was lit though. But we probably finna leave and like probably go back to the A, bro. But yeah, this shit crazy. One time? Hit it one time? Hit it one time? Man, yeah, that shit crazy. Yeah, hear that shit. Hey, boys out here. Damn. It been so crazy with the fade. This fade is crazy. From caramel to chocolate. That's crazy. This shit sexy, man. I like how they wrote all on that bit. That shit hard. I'm gonna do some crazy shit like that. But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and head out, man. And then, we're gonna end this vlog. But this shit been lit, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the rap in the comments, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's do it.